County in south-central Wisconsin, Marquette County in south-central Wisconsin, Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of New Rome to 9 miles northwest of Wisconsin Dells to 9 miles southeast of Lafarge, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Portage, Reedsburg, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Wisconsin, Lodi, Lake Delton, Brett, Partyville, Spring Green, Montello, West Baraboo, Westfield, Ryo, Lawrence, Packwaukee, Plain, and Waukeena. This includes the following locations: Mirror Lake State Park, Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Kilgore Dam, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. For your protection,
that's what we're seeing the shelf cloud.
Floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for